Wait, I'm actually gonna try. Ready? Baby, won't you take me back? So you try to make me right. Nothing has to change it. I didn't mean to say I love you. Hi.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can tell, we're not in our usual studio. No, we are not in our usual location today. We're in my house in New Hampshire. Not my house, my family's house. But for this week, we have a haul. But not just any haul, a Brandy Melville haul.
That's right, I'm a basic bitch.
Woo! So let's just dive right in. Let's go. First thing is this adorable lilac. I'm not even sure if you guys can see the colors because of the lighting, but whatever. We just have this adorable lilac color and it has these super cute 3 buttons right there. Little shirt that you can wear with legit anything. That's the thing that I love the most about Brandy clothes. They're like super basic pieces, but they just make them so cute. You could just wear them with like anything because they're just so basic, but they're so cute. That's why I love Brandy, because they just make basic, not basic. They make basic cute, you know? Next one, just this adorable ribbed lime green button down shirt. This is another thing, like so basic, but they make it like so cute and just so wearable with everything in your closet. I just think it's super cute. Okay, next thing that we have, it's this black leopard trim tank top. So adorable. Yeah, super cute for the summertime. I loved the leopard detail. I love how leopard is making its way back into fashion. That's literally so amazing because I used to be a leopard queen when I was little, so yeah. So next thing we have are these shorts that I am legit obsessed with. They're slim high-waisted shorts and they're like a little bit long. Obviously shorts you could see like on my body. Yeah, there they are. They look great. Awesome. I saw them and I was like, yes, these are exactly what I want. All right, next thing we have, I'm hopping on the biker short trend. I saw these in the store and I've been just dying to try biker shorts because I think they look so cute, but a lot of people that I know like think that they're ugly and stuff, and I was like, okay, I'm not gonna like get them because everybody's gonna think I'm weird and I'm ugly and whatever. But then I kind of sucked it up and was like, you know what, them, I don't care. I'm gonna get these because I think they're cute and I'll rock them. So yep, self-love, seriously, do what makes you happy. So yeah, here they are. You guys will obviously see them better on my body, but they're just high-waisted. They suck everything in. They're just super cute, and I'm so happy that I got them because I've been just like dying to get them for the longest time, and I'm so happy that I finally just caved in and got them and did it for myself, you know? Little things like that, clothes, like if you like something like Bermuda shorts, say, like these are biker shorts, but just say like you liked Bermuda shorts, you've seen Bermuda shorts on people and you're like, oh, I kind of like those, like I want to get them, and then like your friends are like,
those are ugly. If you ever wore those, I would never be seen with you again in my life.
And you're just like, okay, like I guess I won't buy them then. And then, you know, you have perfect opportunities where you're in a store and you see them and you're like, fuck. Like I really want them, but then you don't get them because you're in the back of your head, you're like, Emily said that they were ugly and that she'd never hang out with me again. So I don't know what to do. But then you get them and you love them. That's just like the best feeling ever. Fuck Emily. Emily's a bitch, you know? Go get those biker shorts. Go get those Bermuda shorts. Go get that freaking button-up shirt that your boyfriend said was ugly. Just go get anything that you think will make you happy. Go do it, okay? Don't listen to anybody but yourself. I'm feeling very inspirational today. Next, these are another thing that people probably think are ugly, but I don't care. Guys, the comfiest freaking shorts I've ever, not even just comfiest freaking shorts, they are the comfiest piece of clothing that I've ever put on my body. kind of like guys' basketball shorts in a way, but they're cotton. They're amazing and I'm absolutely obsessed with them. They have a nice banded waist. I love them so much and I'm so happy I bought them. I was like this close to not getting them, and then I tried them on and I was a little skeptical about getting them like still after trying them on, knowing that they were the comfiest shorts ever, because I was like, I'm gonna get so much hate for these. But then I redirected myself, my mindset, and I was like, no, I'm not gonna get so much hate for these because I love them. So I'm not gonna get hate for them because I love them. So who's gonna hate on me loving myself? We went out of our comfort zone a little bit, and I'm really happy that I did. This next shirt is also out of my comfort zone because I don't watch Star Wars. But you know what? I got it because I liked it. It's a Star Wars, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Vietnamese. I don't know. I'm not trying to like offend or be racist in any way. I just don't know what language this is. It's just like a big Star Wars shirt and I love it. Like I saw this online and I was like so close to getting it and I didn't get it, and then I went in the store and it was like the first thing that I saw and I was like, okay, this is a sign. I need this shirt for some reason. Like the universe is telling me like, get this shirt.
You need it.
Like, so I did. And you know what? I don't even care that I paid $28 for it. Because I'm the biggest Star Wars fan ever. Yes. And I've been to Japan. So that's why I got it. No, this is like this most random piece of clothing that I probably own. It's like the universe wants me to have this. So I got it. Oh my god. There's an ant. I gotta kill it. Ready? I got it. Did I get it?
Where'd it go? What?
Guys, I swear to god I hit that ant. And it's not on the bottom of my shoe. Now I'm scared it's gonna like come back sicko mode and want to kill me. Fuck, what'd I do? So I also got this choker. So I had a choker like this and I showed it to you guys in a video like a few weeks back. I don't even know where I acquired this beautiful piece of jewelry. I have no idea. That choker, yeah, I had no idea how I got it, where it came from, but then I lost it. Suddenly, it just wasn't in my possession anymore. And I was like, oh, okay. So I legit lost it after not knowing where it came from. It vanished again. This choker just like doesn't like commitment, I guess, right? So I bought a new one. I like this one even more. This one gives me like even more Billie Eilish vibes. I used to be a really big believer of gold jewelry, but now silver jewelry is my bitch, so. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy all these pieces, and I hope you guys go out of your comfort zone and buy those shorts that everybody hates. Because I guess that was the meaning of this video. If you like them, buy them. You know? Do what makes you happy. I hate this. Shit. I won't get naked in front of you, sorry.
He likes my diamonds and my pearl. I said thank you, I designed it.
I have a hair on my throat.